Animals in Sweetland. Would you like some books that are magical, whimsical, and great fun to colour in? Or do you want to use them and make them your own and sell them yourself? So, what's inside Animals in Sweetland? There's 300 high quality colouring pages in a candy themed world. There's 120 book cover artwork, so you can do the covers yourself, 40 design book covers. You can create colouring books, activity sheets, printables, and as I said, it's ideal for Amazon KDP, Etsy, Gumroad, and more. So these animal colouring books reduce stress and just relax, improves focus and concentration, and kids and adults alike. So the adult market in the US alone, over 27 million colouring books were sold, and this momentum hasn't slowed down. It's great fun. Click the link below, but before that, I'll show you my bonuses because I just made an amazing bonus package with these two exceptional bonuses. Building a powerful brand. So, practical tools and guidance and mental toughness. Stay resilient with your business. Click the link below and have fun with this, guys. It's really amazing.